In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to make Edge faster and fix common performance issues. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows PC or laptop. Once Edge is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, click Settings. Now, select System and Performance from the left-hand side. First, make sure Startup Boost is turned on. This can help Edge launch faster. Next, go to the Performance option and turn on sleeping tabs to automatically put inactive tabs to sleep and reduce the resources they use. You can also adjust the general performance settings to help Edge manage system resources more efficiently. Now, let's clear unnecessary browsing data. Go to Privacy, Search, and Services from the left-hand side. Under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose What to Clear. Select items such as cached images and files, then choose the appropriate time range. Click Clear Now to remove the selected data. Next, check your installed extensions. Click the extensions icon in the toolbar, then select Manage Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions that you don't use, as too many extensions can slow down your browser. You should also make sure that Microsoft Edge is up to date. Go back to Settings, then select About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for available updates and install them if necessary. Once you've completed these steps, restart Microsoft Edge and check whether its performance has improved. And that's it.